This is the Powertec Workbench Multi-System, and the company claims it can replace an entire commercial gym while letting 3 people work out at the same time. But after spending some quality time with this yellow beast, I found something they don't tell you in the glossy ads. Is this actually the ultimate one-and-done solution for your garage, or is it just a massive, overpriced coat rack? Let's find out. Powertec Workbench Multifunction Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the latest iteration of the Workbench Multi-System, WBMS20, released with some key 2024-2025 updates. It's a leverage-based home gym aimed squarely at serious lifters who want the feel of free weights without the danger of getting pinned under a barbell. Unlike a traditional cable machine, this uses solid steel arms and weight plates to create resistance. It's designed for anyone from the garage gym warrior to light commercial studios. Coming in around $19.99 to $24.99 depending on sales, it's a significant investment, but Powertec promises it's the last piece of equipment you'll ever need to buy. Powertec Workbench Multifunction Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this for everything from heavy Monday chest sessions to late-night leg days, and I was really impressed by the isolateral movement. Here's the thing. Most home gyms feel mushy because of cables and pulleys. This feels tactile. When you're doing a bench press, the arms move independently, so your stronger side can't cheat for your weaker side. It feels remarkably close to a dedicated hammer strength machine you'd find at a pro bodybuilding gym. I was surprised how quiet it is too. Since there are no cables to snap or pulleys to squeak, the only sound you hear is the satisfying clack of plates. One thing to note, because it's a leverage system, the perceived weight is about 20% lighter than what's on the bar due to the physics of the lever. So if you load 200 pounds, it feels like 180. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind for your ego. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features. First up is the leverage advantage. This basically lets you ditch the spotter. There are built-in safety stops, which is a game changer when you're trying to hit that last rep on a heavy squat. You can literally go to total failure without worrying about an ambulance ride. Next is the triple station design. You've got a dedicated press station, a squat station, and a lat pull-down or low row area. This means you don't have to tear down the whole machine just to switch from chest to back. If you've got a workout partner, you can both stay in your zones and get through a session in half the time. Third, we have the adjustable bench with ball-bearing carriage. This thing slides like butter. It has 9 horizontal and 9 vertical positions, including decline and a true 90-degree incline for shoulder presses. Most home gym benches feel like an afterthought, but this one feels like a piece of high-end commercial gear. Design and build. Aesthetically, Powertec knocked it out of the park, especially if you go for that iconic Powertec yellow. It makes the gym feel energized. It's made of heavy-duty industrial steel, and they've upgraded the weight horns to angled stainless steel. This is a small but huge win. The angle prevents plates from sliding off, and the stainless steel won't chip like chrome does over time. Ergonomically, the padding is thicker and denser than previous models. It feels premium. But watch out, the footprint is roughly 10 feet by 7 feet. You're going to need a dedicated slice of your garage for this. It's not something you tuck away in a corner. Pros: zero maintenance, no cables to stretch or pulleys to oil. Social lifting, truly fits 3 people at once without feeling cramped. Expandability, you can add attachments like leg curls or a dip station later. Cons: weight math. The 20% leverage reduction means you need to buy more plates to hit your heavy sets. Assembly. It's a 3 to 5 hour project. Bring a friend and a socket wrench. Final verdict. Look, if you're a solo lifter who wants to push heavy weight safely without a gym membership, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's built like a tank and will likely outlive you. If you're a family of lifters or you have a gym bro who comes over, the 3-person functionality is a massive value add. However, if you're living in a tight apartment or you're a pure functional fitness person who only cares about kettlebells and yoga, this is probably overkill. You might be better off with their smaller leverage gym model. But for the person building a serious sanctuary in their garage, this is the gold standard of leverage gyms. It's honest, it's heavy, and it works.